I was sent this basket to try out and I was very impressed with how well it is made. It is absolutely massive. There is so much that you can fit in it and there are so many great uses for it all around your house. Since it's so big, it's great for filling in a spot that you don't really know what else to put there, and you can put all of your extra couch like throw blankets and throw pillows that you aren't using in the basket for storage. It would also be really great for kids' toys or pets' toys since it can hold so much. But I also thought that it would be really useful in the back of a car or a trunk to kind of corral your groceries. I don't know about you, but I feel like it's so annoying to drive home from the grocery store and everything is falling around. But you can kind of corral your groceries and keep everything from falling over. And then it also makes a really great laundry basket because it does have the two handles, so this is definitely something that you can carry around your home to move stuff around. And it's super stylish too since it has this little black and white design to it. It is definitely very, very nice quality and I can highly recommend this basket.